there, everyone. Okay, so this week we are studying social studies. You will click on this Social Studies Weekly button, and we are going to go through the process. Now, what I've noticed in your work so far is that we tend to do our studies weekly once a week, and then we don't come back to it the rest of the week. So this is the expectation. Every day during social studies and science block, you are reviewing the content. So I know that you've already heard it, and this week, for instance, is communication over time. This is the theme of this week's learning. Now I understand that you can listen to them. You listen to each article. Some of these have videos attached. So it's important that you explore all of the options that are here so that you can participate at your utmost ability level. Now you'll notice some of these do not have audio because they're pushing you to do the best reading that you can. If you need help with these ones that don't have audio, and the other ones with the green check marks, then just let me know and I can help you. Or let a parent know and let them read it out loud to you. So collect all those coins every day this week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You should be listening to each of these articles. Friday is special because you've listened to them now 4 times, and now you're very ready to take your test. So I'm going to review those directions for you again. Today, tomorrow, Thursday. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You are listening to all the articles all the way through. Then, Friday, you listen to all the articles all the way through, and then take your test. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. You're looking for week 32, communication over time. Let me show you what that might look like. This won't look like this for you, but it'll look like this for some people. All right, so it'll look like this. It's social studies. So you click on the first article, and at the bottom will be communication over time. Right now, it's not here yet, but it will be here when you click on it. It'll say communication over time. It'll be the last one on that list for social studies. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you later.